On August 34, a comprehensive geology workshop for secondary and higher secondary students was organized at the auditorium of the Gobordanga Gobeshona Porishad, located at Gobordanga, North 24 Parganas, West Bengal, and was jointly housed and conducted by Gobordanga Gobeshona Porishad and Howrah Suparna. The program initiated with the felicitation of the main speaker, Professor Devdas Roy, Professor of Geology, and Deepak Dan, Secretary of Gobordanga Gobeshona Porishad, felicitated by Shoikat Kumar Basu, representing Howrah Suparna. It was followed by a book release ceremony of a collected scientific research papers of pioneer geologist and nation builder Pramodnath Basu, compiled and edited by Deepak Kumar Dan and published by Gobordanga Gobeshona Porishad.
প্রতিটি ঘটনাই কোনো না কোনো কারণ দ্বারা নিয়ন্ত্রিত হয়। তার মানেটা কি? আমি যখন দেখছি কোথাও বৃষ্টি পড়ছে, তাহলে বৃষ্টি কেমনি হচ্ছে? হচ্ছে না তো? তাহলে বৃষ্টি পড়ার আগে আগে মেঘ তৈরি হতে হবে, মেঘ তৈরি হওয়ার আগে ইভাপোরেশন হতে হবে। তোমরা জানো একটা বিখ্যাত পল্লী গীতি আছে, সেখানে গানটা হচ্ছে আল্লাহ মেঘ দে, পানি দে, ছায়া দে রে তুই। কিন্তু সেখানে বলা হচ্ছে না আল্লাহ ছায়া দে, প্রথম হচ্ছে আল্লাহ মেঘ দে। তাহলে যদি মেঘ তৈরি হয় তাহলে তো পানি আসবে, আর যেই পানি আসবে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে বৃষ্টি পড়বে, গাছ হবে, আর গাছ হলেই ছায়া হবে।
Gobeshona Porishad. It was followed by a presentation on life in outer space by Shoikat Kumar Basu, where he highlighted the role of geology, chemistry, and biology and astrophysics in understanding and exploring how life could possibly have originated in Earth and how this search for extraterrestrial life on other planets has been conducted, and what we are learning about outer space in life from scientific, sociological, cultural, as well as from technological aspect. This was then followed by the workshop on rocks and minerals conducted by Professor Devdas Roy, which was greatly appreciated by the students as they were first explored to such a workshop where they had a first-hand experience of understanding the basis of rocks and mineralogy. Devdas Roy had MSc degree in applied geology from IIT Kharagpur. Thereafter, he obtained his PhD in geology from the University of Calcutta. He had a long teaching career of more than 4 decades in the field of geology, geography, and environmental science. He retired from Ashutosh College as an associate professor of geology. He was awarded with the coveted Fulbright Nehru Fellowship in Environmental Leadership Program. Currently, he is actively engaged as a freelance researcher on environmental issues, more particularly on sustainable development goals and their implementation. Professor Devdas Roy is a member of the Sustainable Development Goal Task Force under the auspices of Earth System Governance. The workshop started in basic understanding of what natural resource is and how geology plays an important role in nation building, and also on highlighting the role of pioneering geologist Pramodnath Basu and his contribution to Indian geological sciences. Professor Devdas Roy then helped the student in understanding the basic differences between rocks and minerals and explored a wide diversity of rock types from igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic to various aspects of mineralogy from physics and chemistry perspective, with first-hand experience for the students to explore, touch, and see various rock types based on their color, texture, luster, as well as other physico-chemical properties on which they are differentiated from one another. He also explained the basics of the geochemistry that follows and works in nature in how rocks and minerals are formed, and about the disintegration and the process of coordination and combination of various chemicals from the periodic table and how they integrate with one another and what kind of bonding they forms to prepare and work in nature in producing various forms of these minerals. He talked about the geological diversity of the Indian subcontinent, highlighting the rich natural resources the country has and how the Geological Survey of India and other pioneering geologists across the country has worked towards achieving an excellence, particularly with the mining industry and expanding Indian economy beyond our imagination. He also explained about the various environmental aspects of geology, particularly environmental geology and environmental geography, the students, which resulted with a question answer session and followed by doing some hands-on experiments on geology in understanding rock and mineral chemistry. Shoykot Kumar Basu, Bureau Report, Kalinga Chronicle TV.